learning, the weed burning, them haters talking, I keep earning. Know some who say life's a bitch, well I'ma keep flirting. And fuck that bitch for the money your Louis V purchases. Old folks shock my car cause they know just what this is.
What's up guys? We are back with another vlog. This one, Springfield, Missouri, round 10 and 11. We're actually here this weekend and next weekend we're back, so. Ripper! How'd last night go?
Good. I decided to roll around the first two races and then decided to get second in B main, so.
Not bad, made some money. Got our new kits this weekend. White plastic, black diamond graphics, brown seat. I love it. Came out really good. Got my Pops, BC Racing, Cobra Shop, title sponsoring the boys for the rest of the season. Stoked on how they came out. Practice is over. Riley sitting 22nd. We got Ace sitting 11th. The boys are both moving quicker tonight, so both looked good.
Over there, we're like water.
Just did some smelling salts with everyone. Courtesy of Nelco, just brought the boys some shots, or salts. All right, track party's going on. We got the preview with Bert.
Going down, don't even know what round it is, but I know there's
11 and 12. I think earlier in the vlog I said 10 and 11.
Round 12.
Yeah, tonight.
All right, so here's what we got. We got some spongy dirt to start off with. A lot of sketchy little ruts that you really can't see. Gnarly fast start straight. Come barreling down this thing. Got a little roller. Thought it was going to be sketchy for the first turn, but it's really not bad. Everything kind of checks up. Rip the berm. Got some weird ruts right here that you can't really see. Makes it kind of sketchy, but that's dirt bike. Quick along with this. Big dogs on the 450s are going quad. 250 guys are mainly sticking to the triple single. Left-hander, wall into the whoops. Most guys are, I'm pretty sure everybody's going double off the wall, triple. And we got another wall right after it, 2 walls. 90 right, left-hander. Nice little gap double. Another 90. 450s are going triple single. Most 250s are just double into the finish line. Got a pretty steep face on it, kind of sends you up in the air. Nice little berm after, and then uncork on the straightaway again.
Yep. In staging.
Everything I make plastic and niggas be hating me. And this pay me, fuck you. I just roll another zip, niggas saying they get down, but I promise they don't do it like this. About to take another trip, tell my bitch roll another zip. And my gang don't slip. Smoke trees, count a meal before I dip. So much she chose some flamer. We came this far, never gon' change up, homie, that's Taylor.
Treat chains like trophies, cash like tissue, keep it strapped so them cats with the mask don't get you. No fast in my past, all this shit I've been through got my bag right. Bag right, yeah. We rock stars, we race cop cars, we smoke shit.
Alright, recap after heat races. Brett did not make it, he's going to LCQ. Ace got a 5th in his heat, he's going right to the main. Riley did not make it, going to LCQ. Bryce unfortunately had a really bad crash. Here. Bent up his bars pretty bad. So he's okay, luckily. I saw the whole thing happen. He cross-rutted pretty bad and it just shot him. Shot him a weird way, so. Yep. Yeah, Bryce dented in his whole gas tank. He hit hard.
That's a flex. We don't wait for the check, that's a flex. We don't dance, we just flex. Got you, that's a flex. That's a flex. We treat hundreds like pesos, numbers like dollars, bitches like Hondas, bought a house from a dollar. Far away from the snakes and the piranhas. Fuck sitting in the cage, I'm paid. I bought a boat from my maid and my Tigo babe. There you go. I just bought a crib in Marin. They hate to see us wave. Fucking cut your eyes out then. I think she liked the way I flex cause I stack different.
Main event one time.
They want to run the braids, but it's bad business. They got me out on my last. This shit ain't for real. We ain't never put up with no disrespect. We got weight on deck, that's a flex. We don't wait for the check, that's a flex. We don't dance in the club, we just flex. Got you, that's a flex. We got weight on deck, that's a flex. We don't wait for the check, that's a flex. We don't dance in the club, we just flex.
You guys can hear me. That was exciting. Wow. Our third place finisher.
You think you're special, you do. I can
my clip in where I wrecked it or no?
No, I didn't get it on video.
Yeah, I got it. Maybe we should put some photos in of my nutsack can on my gas tank too.
Yeah, balls of steel. Best finish of the season so far for Ace.
All right, Springfield, what do you think?
It hurt. You did it. You did it. Dude, he launched it to the moon. Give her some. 10 o'clock, heading home. Good weekend, 3.5 hours. Riley's got 10 hours. Had Wayne come help out for the weekend. New setups look good. We'll be back here next weekend with just Ace. Riley will be doing Tampa Supercross. Give it a shot there. See how we go there, but fuck yeah. The Buc-ee's. It's not a moto trip if you pass a Buc-ee's and don't stop. Not bad, not bad. Made it home, pretty good time. Look at this, we got the little, the medium, and the big. But hell yeah, pumped. Wasn't driving all night, so we're gonna go ride some woods tomorrow with Joey. Stoked about that. But I had a good weekend at Arena Cross. We'll see you guys next weekend back in Springfield. Peace.